Namaste. Welcome to our online Hindi class. In this course, we will be teaching you how to speak Hindi from the very basics. So let's get started. Today, we have a special episode for you. We will learn the months of the year in Hindi through English. Let's begin. Before we begin, let me remind you that the names of the months in Hindi are different from those in English. However, we can easily understand and remember them by using English as a reference. Let's begin with the first month. January is called Janwari in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, Janwari. Repeat after me, Janwari. Great. Now, let's move on to the second month. February is called Farwari in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, Farwari. Repeat after me, Farwari. Well done. Now, let's learn the next month. March is called March in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, March. Repeat after me, March. Excellent. Moving on to the fourth month. April is called April in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, April. Repeat after me, April. Fantastic. Let's continue with the next month. May is called Mai in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, Mai. Repeat after me, Mai. May. Mai. Great job. We are halfway there. Let's move on to the sixth month. June is called June in Hindi as well. It's spelled and pronounced the same way in both languages. Superb. Now, let's learn the next month. July is called July in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, July. Repeat after me, July. Excellent work so far. Let's move on to the eighth month. August is called August in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, August. Repeat after me, August. Well done. Now, let's move on to September. In Hindi, September is Sitambar, Sitambar. Say it with me, Sitambar. Great. Now, let's move on to the next month. October is called October in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, October. Repeat after me, October. Excellent. Moving on to the next month. November is called November in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, November. Repeat after me, November. Fantastic. Let's continue with the next month. December is called December in Hindi. Here's how you write it in Hindi, December. Repeat after me, December. That was excellent. You've learned all the months of the year in Hindi through English. Practice pronouncing them until you feel comfortable. Here's a quick recap of the months of the year in Hindi. Take a moment to review them. January, Janwari, February, Farwari, March, March, April, April, May, May, June, June, July, July, August, August, September, September, October, October, November, November, December, December. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in learning the months of the year in Hindi. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more language tutorials. Practice these phrases in your daily routine and try to use Hindi as much as possible. Also, visit our YouTube channel for more resources and practice exercises. Thank you for joining our class today, and please let us know if you would like to know any specific topics or statements which we will post in our next video. Until next time, Dhanyavad, thank you, and have a great day.